mistress. He was a singer in a band. There's just my girl back to Oklahoma and talk about the stars they could have been. All in America, dreaming in red, white, and blue. All in America, where we dream as big as we want to. We all get a chance. Everybody gets to dance. All in America. A far-off place where heroes welcome be waiting for me, where the clouds will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be. I'll be there someday. I can go the distance, find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be country road on the wind it comes to call. This is the fountain of factory time. No song anymore. And the words are the words of our fathers heard as it whistled down the years. And the name of the song is the name of the dream that is music to our ears. America, America, and the dream goes on. America, America, and the dream goes on. The words that we read on the courthouse walls are the words that make us free. And the more we began to do, so we get to the best we can. Was there ever a time we forgot its worth, all the struggles and the scars? If we leave to the children a sky full of hope and the flag is filled with stars. America, and the dream goes on. The voices are changing, the song's the same as it sings from sea to sea. And as long as the music is strong and clear, that tomorrow will always be free.
Oh, beautiful, heroes prove, liberating strength. Who more than self, country love, and mercy more than life. America, America, make God thy gold refine, till all success be nobleness, and every gain divine. And you know, when I was in school, we used to sing it something like this. Listen here. Oh, beautiful, far spacious skies, far